Well, hello today. We're talking about dishwashers and we're talking about Bosch. Bosch dishwashers. I might give a second thought before I bought this thing again. It does a good job of cleaning. I'd say I give it about a 93 to 95%. But what I discovered, you see, this is the face, the control panel. And this is what you pull on. The handle here. The handle's underneath here. That's the handle, and it's plastic. And the face is connected to the machine, and it's all plastic. And guess what? It's pretty thin plastic, and it breaks after a while. Trying to show you. Yeah, and that's little flimsy plastic is what's holding this to the machine. Come on, Bosch. Who you got designing these things? Like 2-year-olds? I could do a better job. Why not put a piece of metal in there to pull as a handle instead of a piece of thin plastic that after a while will break off? Frustrating.